Good morning. So, if you've been following all my stories, I've been talking about how my Chi iron died after 14 years. My sweet Chi iron with no heat settings that was just glorious died. So I had a poll and I was asking opinions on which flat irons everyone thought was the best. I have used a GHD, not a fan of it because I have thick, kind of coarse, natural curly hair, and so not a fan of a GHD. So I landed on the Bio Ionic. This is the Graphene MX. So it got infused plates for damage and breakage protection, digital heat, rapid heat up time, and it shuts off after 30 minutes. So I thought I would show you guys and give you my first impressions. This is day 3 hair. I just blow dried it and straightened half of it, and then my flat iron died. And then yesterday I wore it in like a half top knot, and then last night I slept with it in a top knot. So this is what it looks like pre flat ironing with this new Bio Ionic. It's a 1-inch. It goes down, I think the lowest heat setting is 265. So I'll start there because I use Monate products, so I don't have any silicones or waxes or that kind of buildup on my hair, so you need a lower heat. Anything over 350, I think, is like gonna fry you. So I'm gonna prep it with my Thermal Protect serum. It actually protects up to 450 degrees heat. So if I need to bump the heat, I can, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see how this Bio Ionic holds up to a Chi brand, because I have literally used Chi for 14 years in the salon, but they switched from being made in China to being made in America about, I don't know, like 10 years ago. And I mean, I love to support the American economy, but it just doesn't work the same. So, all right, here we go. First pass, Bio Ionic Graphene MX 265. Not bad. It doesn't feel hot enough. I am gonna bump it up to 305 and see. This is my first Bio Ionic, but in the poll that I did, it was like the top one, everybody said. So I text my supply lady for the salon and was like, hey, do you carry Bio Ionic? And she was like, yeah, we do. I'll bring you a couple tomorrow. So she brought it yesterday and I checked it out. And she told me this one was the best, and I bought it. It was $195, which is price. It's the price tag on there, but it is a professional line, so that's expected. And it comes with a 1-year warranty through the store, and then a 5-year warranty through Bio Ionic. So I thought $195 wasn't bad to have a 5-year warranty, and then also like my Chi iron 14 years ago was $100 and it lasted 14 years, so it felt like that was worth the investment. So far, I think it's doing pretty well. I have had to go over it many times, so I'm gonna bump the heat up again, just because I've got this coarse, thick, natural curly hair, and I just feel like I need a little bit more heat. So I've got it at 345 now, but I do have my Thermal Heat Protect on, so that protects up to 450 degrees. So I should be fine. This is the most boring live you've ever seen. Okay, let's see. One pass, how well it does. Oh, dang. Okay. I think this is the spot. $3.45. I will say it's not the same as the Chi. It's really not, but I don't dislike it. It's just gonna take some time getting used to, you know? Because I still have a Chi in the salon also. It's probably also 14 years old. Let's see, just because I can, what it's like when it curls. Well, that was really disappointing. Okay, if you're just joining me, I am reviewing this new Bio Ionic Graphene MX. It's a 1-inch flat iron, and it's got graphene MX infused plates that help protect against damage. My 14-year-old Chi iron died, and I did a poll. Everyone said GHD or Bio Ionic, and I've used a GHD before and wasn't really blown away. So I thought, well, I'll try this one out. But so far it's not as hot as a Chi, but that's probably because my Chi didn't have a heat setting, and I was probably using 500-degree heat. Who knows? I don't know. It's fine. It's fine. My hair is healthy. Okay. I don't love it as much as my Chi. It's taking far more passes, but I could probably turn the heat up. I just don't know about that. I'm gonna try this one again. Let's see. I have Bioionic, but it's not HD, and I love it. Let's see if I can curl it. The last time I tried, oh, that did better. That did better. Okay. Okay. So I've been a Chi girl all these years, and I mean, I really want to try out the Bioionic curling iron, the extra long one, because this is also the longest my hair has been in pretty much my whole life. So when I use my curling iron, I'm running out of space. So have you used a Bioionic curling iron, the black one that's got an extra long rod? That's what she said. Oh my gosh. Because I want to try that next for personal use and in the salon. I do a lot of weddings, and sometimes you have people who have hair to their butt crack, and the only way to do it is to use a wand. Well, use my curling iron like a wand, because otherwise I can't get it. So I think I'll get used to it. Back when they did the switch over, and every single one of them was using that year warranty. It would be right at a year, and their flat iron would die, and I'd have to call, State Beauty Supply and get it replaced, or call Chi and get it replaced, and I just don't want to deal with that. If I'm going to spend the money, I want it to last a long time. So this one was $195, which might seem crazy, but it is a pro iron, and it came with a 5-year warranty, plus if it's gonna last my old school Chi. Hi friends joining me, Mandy Sue, what's up? Just testing out my new Bioionic because my Chi iron died after 14 years, but thank you. This is the longest my hair has been in pretty much my entire life. I maybe had it this long, or maybe like to here when I was a junior in high school. But before I used Monate, my hair was always like fine, thinner, and always was broken. And it would break off, and so I always just kept it short. Like, I mean, short. I've had pixie, like, over my ear haircuts. Like this length, you know, where it like flipped out in the back and the top went over the top. You know that hairstyle. I had the thick, chunky bangs with a thick blonde streak. All the things. And then, God bless, Monate came into my life, and I've kept it short, but like a year ago, I decided I was going to grow it. So I've been growing it, and it is very thick and healthy. When I started using Monate, it was really funny because I kept being like asking my best friend, like, what is this rat tail situation that I have? But it was just all like new hair growing in. So I'll show you the back. It probably isn't straightened very well, but like, it's getting thick. It's getting thick and long. So that's it. Bio Ionic Graphene MX. It turns off automatically after 30 minutes. So that's not really a problem for me because I am kind of OCD about like turning it off and unplugging any appliance that I use on my hair. Not really in the rest of my house, but like a heat tool, yeah, it's getting unplugged. So I would say this is a good iron. This is a good iron. Do I like it as much as my Chi? Not yet. Not yet, but I think with a 5-year warranty, it's definitely worth it. So, all right, that's it. I just wanted to share that with you because if you've been on my stories this week, and I've been talking about the iron and where was I gonna find an iron, and I don't want a GHD, and LANGE looks like it fries people's hair off, so I landed on this bad boy. Bio Ionic Graphene MX. I want to just call it a max, but okay, that's it. Have a great day, guys. See you later.